Hey folks, I'm Leo, and I know what you're thinking about. You're thinking of how to become a millionaire in a couple of minutes. Too bad, if I knew the answer, I would be somewhere else right now and keep that answer to myself. However, I've been trading and I've got some experience, not without making mistakes. In this video, I'll share with you some common mistakes and practical tips to help you trade better. First, know your trading platform. Many start trading without studying the trading models, technical instruments, indicators, and other tools their trading platform offers. It's like driving a car without knowing where to turn the music on. That's not gonna be a good ride. Would you agree? So, don't rush. Take your time to study the platform. Check what it has, what to press and where. You have to feel comfortable with it if you're planning to earn money with it. So, tip 1, know your platform. Now, you've learned where to switch on the music in your car. What's the second most important thing now? That's right, the brakes. The biggest and most common mistake newbies make is thinking they will be an exception to the overall statistics. Most traders lose money and leave trading because they fail to follow simple safety rules. One of them is to use stop loss. People often ask me, "Hey Leo, why should I use a stop loss?" For some reason that question really makes me very angry. Just can't help it. Don't be one of those people. Stop loss is there to stop your losses. Make this tool a part of every single trade you open. Don't make me angry. So, tip number 2, use stop loss. Alright, so you're in the car, the music's on, and you know where the brakes are. What's next? You set the destination. In trading, that means you have to set an objective. Please be real. Traders like to go with, "I want to double my funds in a few weeks." Well, that's why I attend anger management classes. Set a reachable objective that can be revised as you improve your skills and adapt to market reality. For example, I want to have 50% of my trades profitable, or I want to have 5 to 10% increase in my funds most months of the year. So, tip number 3, set an objective. Now you're in a car, the engine's on, the music's nice, the brakes are ready, the destination is clear. What to do now? Choose the way. For us traders, that means choosing a suitable trading strategy, style, and instruments to reach the objective we set. Many think they can randomly open trades, following their intuition, their gut feeling of the financial market. Well, I hardly look like your school teacher, but you have to have discipline, a trading plan, and a strategy to trade very well. Why? Well, because you can make profits only if your trade brings consistent results, and they will only be consistent if you follow a strategy. That doesn't mean you have to wake up at 5 a.m. to check the news or adjust your levels. Just be clear about what you do and why in trading, and if it's adequate to your objective and trading style. For example, if you want to day trade on short time frames, there are specific trading strategies and indicators suitable for that. Study, choose, and use them. Alternatively, if you prefer investing long term, there are other techniques and instruments, so you'll go with those. Tip number 4, follow a strategy. Finally, you can say now, "I'm in the car, the brakes, music, destination, route, all checked. Can I drive now?" Don't be mad. Also, don't be overexcited, angry, too happy, or too depressed, anxious or impatient about your trades. Switch off your emotions. How to do that? I do yoga. No, I don't. But if you do, that's great. Anyway, the idea is that trading is emotional, and emotions cloud your analysis and decision making. So, you have to find a way to not get too emotional about trading. For example, you can set a rule that you can't open a new trade within an hour after opening or closing a previous one. So if you made a bad trade, such a rule will keep you away from taking revenge at the market. Tip number 5, control your emotions. So here is our trading checklist. Know your platform, use a stop loss, set an objective, follow a strategy, and control your emotions. All checked? Well done. Enjoy the ride and see you in the next video. Take care.